In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method in foodpanda. Go ahead and open the foodpanda app on your phone. When it loads, you should see the main home screen with featured restaurants, search at the top, and different food categories. If the app asks for location access, allow it so it can show restaurants that can actually deliver to you. You do not need to log out or clear anything. Just make sure you are on that home screen before moving on. Once the app is open, look for a restaurant you would like to order from and click on it. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to type the restaurant name or a food type. When you tap a restaurant, the screen changes to show its menu, estimated delivery time, rating, and delivery fee. A quick tip here, beginners often tap the back button too fast, so if the menu suddenly disappears, just reopen the same restaurant from the list. Now select the item for your order, then click View Your Cart. Start by tapping on a dish you want, then choose any size or flavor options that appear, and add it to your cart. After adding, look for the cart icon, usually at the bottom or top corner, and tap View Your Cart. The cart page will show the item name, quantity, price, and the subtotal. If you change your mind, you can adjust the quantity here before you continue, and the total updates right away after each change. With your cart open, scroll down and click Add Payment Method. On this screen, you will also see things like delivery address, vouchers, and a summary of fees. Keep scrolling until you see the payment section, then tap the Add Payment Method option. When you tap it, a new panel or page will appear from the bottom or slide in, showing the available payment choices. If nothing appears, scroll a bit more to be sure you did not miss the button. Next, you can now select from GCash, linking bank accounts, QRPH, cash, or debit and credit card. Each option means a different way the money leaves your account. For example, GCash will use your GCash wallet balance, while debit and credit card will charge your chosen card automatically. Cash means you will pay the rider when the order arrives. QRPH usually shows a code on screen that you scan with a banking app. Knowing what each option actually does helps you avoid choosing something you cannot use. After that, choose one and follow the prompts to complete the order. If you pick a digital method like GCash, bank account, QRPH, or a card, the app will guide you through logging in or entering details and confirming the link. For cash, it will simply mark your order as cash on delivery, with no extra details needed. Once the prompts are done, you return to the checkout screen, and your chosen payment method now appears under the payment section before you place the order. You have now changed your foodpanda payment method while placing an order, so give this a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe if you want more quick app tips.